Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay, I want to do oregano's proteins, vitamins, whatever it has. And I'm not gonna do it me because I have a problem of remembering things and things like that. So I rather just put it in the description. I did one on cilantro and I put a whole bunch of things and its benefits, how some people use it for medicinal. Medicinal? Yeah, I think that's how they call it. But anyway, it has all of the story. It took me 3 days to do it because culantro does not have a lot of promotion. So I decided to do that one first. It took me 3 days. That's why I haven't put no more. But how I call it? But I'm gonna do this. These are the oreganos. These are small leaf oregano. In the description, I'll find the name and I'll put it in the description part. It's more easier for me because if I do a mistake, I could just push it back, rewrite it, that kind of stuff. But since the sepsi that I caught, I can't remember too much. So it's hard, especially when you're on the camera. But anyway, these I'm gonna see what the name are. I know they are small oregano, but that's about it. I don't know their name, the real name. So my mother bought this, and she told me, "Well, I come back. I want you to take care of it." I said, "Okay, I'll take care of it." And I decided to find out how can I propagate it. Of course. And I got this small one. I got this one. It's a little bigger. And oh, wait a minute. Let me take the stick out. Put it in, and I had to erase everything and start all over. So okay, this is I'm cooking today. I use this one, a big stick, because sometimes when you put little ones, it's hard for them to grow. So I'm gonna push it in here, right there. So I got a lot of, how you call it? It will get a lot of roots. Even though this one, it looks like it wants to die, but it doesn't want to die. I'm gonna fix it, and put some more water in there because they like water, you know. Um, and we have also the oregano, how you call it? The Cuban oregano. We call this one in Spanish, oregano brujo. That's what they call it. Is oregano witch. I don't know why they call it witch, but anyway, that's how they call it here. And this one I don't know. This one, yeah, I have had it before, but never had it so long. And then I decided to play around with it and see how can I propagate it. And that's how I propagate it. Just stick it in there, water that area there, and let it grow. So that's how I do it. Sometimes I put it in here, sometimes I put it there. But since this is big, long, I will put it here. And maybe later on I'll open another of these oreganos, you know. So that's pretty cool. And this was one stick, one long, as you can see right here. It was cut. This is the original bottom one. And I took them, cut them, and put it in different places. And they're doing pretty good, as you can see. This has like close to a month, I think it is. And look how beautiful they are looking. I only put one leaf of these. That's why you see a lot of leaves, because I only put one. Because this is very tasty. And if I'm just using it for a small pot of, I call it a meat or whatever, I just put one. If it's a lot, then I put two. So saying this, now that I said the whole thing, I'm gonna, hey, let me see if you can see it all together. Okay, like this. Let me move back. Look how beautiful it looks. And I call it, they are tasty. These are tasty too. I never wanted to buy it because it was so small. And I said, okay, when I peel it off, it sticks all over my finger. I found a way to do it without that. When you cut it, let's use the stick. Now, let me use something. When you cut it, you just pull it upwards like this. And it'll fall off you because they're not going to have, all that water. You do it before you put it in the water. Or you could wash it and then do it. Because then they all cannot stick at you at the same time. So what I do is I peel it, put this to the side, and I wash, it's been washed already. So then I just put it in a little plate or something. And then from there, I just pass it to whatever I'm cooking. So, that's the easiest way to do it. That's why I didn't like it, because I used to say, oh my God, how I'm going to do this? Because if I take it out, and it used to stick all over my fingers, and I try to get it out of that, and when I used to use my other hand, it would get stuck in that side. That's why I didn't like it so much. But I found a way. It's all the things you have to know. This is something that you could grow in a pot and even sell it. I'm thinking of starting selling some of these stuff, because as you see, I got there. I think this is the lemon tree. Yeah, this is the lemon tree, and I have other things there. So it's pretty cool. And something is growing here that I don't know what it is. If it's something fruit or whatever, because I put so many things here. I put peppers. I put coriander, not coriander. How you call it? I forgot the name of it. Basil. I put a whole bunch of basil here and it didn't work. Oh, I don't know. They say that they take long, so I don't know. But I'm gonna try another way of putting them in paper and let them put roots and then put it here. The peppers, to me, they grow so slow. I have only one that grew, and it was beautiful. It was gonna have peppers, but somebody ate the top, cut the top off. I guess it was how you call it, the lizards. That's the problem we got here. Lizards, dogs, rats. What else? So I try to keep them all out. That's why I have all this. I'm planning to change it because we bought a new one, a new type of. I left both of them in this side because of the dog, and he still got in. That's why I got this here. That's why I got that there, so he can't get in. I don't want him inside. He every time he gets in, he'll throw my plants in the floor and things like that. So if you like this, if you love what you're seeing, and if you want to see more of nutrients, because look, these plants, at least this one, I don't know about this one, but this one does not have any pesticide, none of that stuff. I use natural things. Sometimes I use vinegar. Sometimes I wash soap and water. Things like that. And I do have neem oil, because that's how I call it, it's organic. That's why I use that too, if it gets real bad. So saying this, when you see the video, see the description, and there you're gonna find everything about oreganos. And if there's a difference on this one, I will mention how you call it. This I will mention it by its name, and this I hope to mention it by its name if I find it. I did one of culantro. Also, that was the worst one. 3 days it took me to find information. So, God bless you all. And if you like the video, or you like what I'm doing, please give me a like at least. And if you like it better than that, give me a subscription. So, subscribe to me. And you will see more, because I'm going to do all my plants that I have. I'm going to do what they got right there. If you see, I got tomatoes. You know, I got flowers. I got this plant here. I don't know what it is. I got I call that this right there. I forgot the name. Anyway, you know what it is. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.